So we have worked on showing fractions that are less than 1 on a number line. So today we're going to look at fractions greater than 1 on a number line. So when we look at number lines, we have from 0 to 1. So this will let us know what our denominator should be. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 spots until we get to 1. So our denominator would then be 4. That also means that each one of these spaces is equal to 1/4. So this is 1/4, this is 1/4. Now I'm not talking about from here to here is 1/4. I'm talking about from here to here is 1/4. So every one space is 1/4. So in order to figure out how many each spot is worth, then we can start adding on to them. So if this spot is 1/4, then this little tick mark here is just 1/4. But if I'm going 1/4 and 1/4, that's 2/4. 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4, that's going to be 3/4. So when we're writing our numbers in the number line, they really just go in order. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This would actually be 4/4. But 4/4 is equal to 1. Whenever our number on the denominator and our numerator are the same, we equal 1. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 2. Okay, and the same goes with these spots. Just from there to there is 1/4. Okay, so if we're doing one on our own down here, the first thing is, say it tells us my denominator is 8, but let's pretend like I didn't know that. So here's my 1. In order to figure that out, I would just count how many spaces I get until 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 spaces. That means each of these spaces are worth 1/8. Okay, see how I figured that out? And I go to my 1, not all the way down here, just to my 1. That will tell me what my denominator should be. So if I'm filling in these missing blanks, I have 1/8. So I'm trying to figure out what is this one? Well, I can just count in order, or I can know that if I have 1/8 and 1/8, that's going to be 2/8. 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. Remember, this would be 8/8, but 8/8 is equal to 1. 9/8, 10/8, 11/8, 12/8. Okay?